Hello students. Now today we'll start English grammar. In English grammar we'll start new chapter number 6. And chapter number 6 is A or an. Now do you know what is a or an? Let me tell you. A or an are called articles. Now, a or an are called articles and they are used before vowels and consonants. Now, I think you all remember vowels and consonants, right? The 5 letters A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels, right? And rest of the letters are called consonants. Rest of the letters, whatever we study in alphabets, are called consonants. So A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels and we use a or an before vowels and consonants. Now let's see one by one. First we'll see A. A is used before consonants. Whatever consonant letters are there or whatever consonant words are there, before that we use A. Like a banana. See, banana, it starts with B and B is a consonant. Pen, P is a consonant. So before that we use A. Flower, F is consonant and before that we use A flower, right? And next one is an. An is, we use an before vowels or whatever words start with vowels. Like orange. Orange starts with O and O is a vowel. So before orange we'll use an. Ink pot. Ink pot starts with I and I is a vowel. So before that we'll use an. Okay. Apple. Again A is vowel. So before apple we'll use an. I think you all have understood that before vowels, whatever vowel words are there, before that we'll use an, and whatever consonant words are there, before that we'll use A. Now, see, pictures are given. We have to write its name with A or an. See, the first one is done. First picture is of flower. Flower starts with letter F. F is a consonant. So before flower we use A. Second picture is of apple. Apple starts with A. A is a vowel. So we'll write an apple. Next picture is of carrot. Carrot starts with C. C is a consonant. And before that we'll use A. A carrot. Like this, you have to complete this picture. You have to write the name of the pictures given. Before that, you have to use A or an. Now, in this, pictures are given. Picture names are also given. Picture's name is also given. Only you have to use A or an before the names. Like the first one is done. Before mango, it's written A because M is consonant. Second picture, it's written orange. It starts with O. O is vowel, so you have to write A and an before orange. Third one is pineapple. Pineapple starts with P. P is a consonant. So before it you have to write A like this. You have to complete this also. Now next one is fun time. Two baskets are given. One is for A, other is for An. A box is given with some words. Now choose the consonant words. Whatever words start with consonants, you have to write in the first box, first basket, that is red basket. And whatever vowel words are there, vowel words means whatever words start with vowel, A, E, I, O, U. Select those words and write in the green basket, space given in green basket. You all must have understood consonant words in red basket, vowel words in green basket. Space is given, so do it carefully. Now homework is read the lesson carefully and complete page number 34 and 35 in book. Thank you.